Patterns and symmetry. Patterns in numbers. A number pattern is a sequence of numbers based on addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division to form a series of numbers related to each other. Number patterns in addition. Look at this number pattern. In this pattern, the next number is formed by adding 10 to the previous number. A number pattern based on addition is formed by adding the same number to each of the previous terms of the series. Number patterns in subtraction. Look at this number pattern. In this pattern, the next number is formed by subtracting 3 to the previous number. A subtraction pattern is formed by subtracting the same number from the previous term each time. Number patterns in multiplication. Look at this number pattern. This is a 9 times table. Observe the products. The tens place digits in the products are in increasing order from 0 to 9, while the ones place digits in the products are in decreasing order from 9 to 0. Number patterns in division. Look at this number pattern. In this pattern, we observe that each time we add a 0 to the right of the dividend and divide it by 4, the same number of zeros get added to the quotient. Number tower. In a number tower, start writing numbers from the bottom and go to the top. For example, in this number tower, we add two numbers at the bottom to get the resulting number in the box above them. Symmetry. A shape or object has symmetry if it can be divided into equal halves such that one half completely overlaps the other half. Such shapes are called symmetrical shapes. The line dividing a shape into two equal halves is called the line of symmetry. The line of symmetry is categorized as a horizontal line divides an object or shape into two identical halves. It is called the horizontal line of symmetry. A vertical line divides an object or shape into two identical halves. It is called vertical line of symmetry. A slanting line divides an object or shape into two identical halves. It is called diagonal line of symmetry. For example, a pentagon has 5 lines of symmetry. Reflection symmetry. A type of symmetry in which one half of an object reflects the other half is called reflection symmetry, also known as mirror symmetry. If a mirror is placed on the line of symmetry, then we get an image of one half, which will overlap completely on the other half of the figure. For example, these figures are showing reflection symmetry.